Hello, in this video I will make unboxing my new machine from Beurer, model MG151. This is my second machine, since first one was exactly same and I received it under guarantee after 1 year use. It's still, I find it very good and very good quality machine, and I didn't want to change to another one. It's made out of nice cartons. And inside you will find the instruction, machine and charging box. So instruction you can find in Russian, French, English, Italian and other languages. So the power. It has a length about 1 meter. And it's not always enough, so you need a longer cable, usually for make it more comfortable use. Everything very well packed, as I feel, and I really like it. So yes, it's exactly same machine as a year ago, just a new one. This item really well done, and I'm really happy with that. So you see 3 rotation heads in each side. Here it's connection to the cable. Material very soft and very nice to touch. So now I will try to connect it to the power, and I will show you how it works. So we make power and it starts rotation this direction. We can change direction to another one or go back. It works very well and fast. This is speed. You can change it 2-3 times faster. First, second and third. Also, you can have an option to warm up when it works, to turn it on or turn it off. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments.